seed starting mix using worm castings, coconut coir, or peat moss, vermiculite, or perlite, all in 1/3 proportions. So you can play with those if you want to put more worm castings, more perlite. There really is no exact or 100% right way. You totally can experiment, and that's what it's all about. This is our experiment, and we started some pumpkin seeds. Now, these pumpkin seeds were 3 years expired, but we said let's give it a shot. So my wife was really stoked to get them in the ground and get them going so we could have pumpkin pie for Thanksgiving. That's the plan. And so right here you can see they germinated. 7 out of 8 of them germinated, and now they are very big, and we're getting flowers. It's about the beginning of October, and so we're hoping to get some by Thanksgiving. But yeah, try it out, experiment, and see if this is a good mix for your seeds.